Isama natin na rin yung saturated unit weight is equal to 2,000 kilogram cubic meter. Okay, calculator technique again. 2,000 times with the conversion 9.81, okay, divided by 1,000 equal, tapos SD SD 2,000 times 9.81, okay, tapos SD. Yan po, 9.62 ang sagot. Yan o. Yan iyon ang PSAT, yan ang YSAT. Okay, 9.62 kilonewton cubic meter